Has something like this ever happened to you? Let's see. You can read English books. You watch videos in English. You listen to podcasts. You can also follow conversations. But when it's your turn to speak, you just stop. Yeah, I know that feeling. And the reason is very simple. That's because you don't practice speaking. So I think it's better if, from now on, you start training your speaking, not just learning. And that's exactly what we're going to do together in this video. We're going to have a conversation, you and I. So here's the plan. You are at the airport, and I'm working at the check-in counter. And we're going to have a conversation just like in real life. First, you are checking in and everything is fine. And as for the second part, there is going to be a small problem, very common. And finally, for the third part, there is going to be even a bigger issue. I will say something and read my lines. And then it's your turn to answer and read your lines. And don't overthink it. Just speak. It's going to be fun. All right, now let's start with part one at the check-in counter. Hello there. Can I have your passport, please? Thanks. Where are you heading today? Okay, that's nice. Do you have any luggage to check in? Did you pack everything yourself? Are you carrying anything restricted or dangerous? All right, do you want a window seat or an aisle seat? All right, here's your boarding pass. Gate 19A. Boarding starts at 9:45. Don't be late. Way to go and good job. Now it's time to go for part 2. Sure, what seems to be the issue? Sure, let me check that one for you. Well, you can remove some items or pay the extra charge. That should work. Great job! And now, here is the last part. Excuse me, there is something wrong with your booking. Your ticket information doesn't match your passport details. Well, we need to fix this before you can board the plane. Please go to the customer service desk. It's near gate 15 next to the main screen. Also, for your information, your flight is slightly delayed. Around 20 to 30 minutes. All right, that was actually really good and fun, right? But listen, don't make it so complicated for yourself. Don't worry about language skills like learning grammar, new words, new phrases, because that is not the point. This video is about speaking. So what I want you to do is to go back, play this again, and speak out loud with me. And I think it's even better if you repeat your answers until they feel very easy. And repeat as many times as you should. Like you don't even have to think about your answers anymore. And if you really want to try to push yourself a little more, try not to look at the answers and just give the answers from your memory. Yeah, it might get a bit repetitive and it might even get a little bit boring. But trust me, this is exactly how your speaking gets better. So go ahead, repeat it again, practice again, and if you like this one, tell me in the comments. Maybe for the next one, we can come up with another scenario. Maybe at the hotel or at a doctor's office. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because I post new English videos every Thursday and it would really help me create more videos for you. See you in the next lesson.